Welcome everybody to what we hope is our last remote learning phonics session. You'll need your whiteboard, your pen, your rubber and your basic code sound mats.
Hello everyone, join me for a sound splat. Let's do it. We've done this before, haven't we? Where I splat some sounds and we see what word we make. Okay, ready? Did you get it? Let's try again. It's j, a, g. That's right, jug. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, digraphs in this one, ready? Did you get it? Ch. Ch. Church. Okay, and another one. Let's try. Okay. O. Okay, see. S, t, o, stomp like a dinosaur.
It's Look Cover Right check time, and today we've got two tricky bug words that we're going to be looking at. Let's take a look at the first one. Do you know what it says? It's two. What's tricking us? The O is making an oo sound. T and an O makes two. Let's have a go at writing it. And shall we check? Great job. Right, shall we look at the second tricky bug word now? Do you know what this one is? Yeah, it's do. And what's tricking us? It's the same as in two, isn't it? It's the O, it's making an oo sound. It's a D and an O and it says do. Let's have a go at writing. Okay, let's check it. Brilliant work. Well done, everyone. Hello. Today we're going to be learning about writing long words again, but this time we're going to use something called syllables. And syllables are parts of words. So if you have a long word, it might have lots and lots of syllables, and if you've got a short word, you might only have one or maybe two syllables. So if I was to say, if I was to use a short word like fox, it would just have one syllable. I can clap it. Fox. I can tap my chin. Fox. Just one syllable. If I was to use a longer word, perhaps like gruffalo, I could tap that one out and it would have more. Let's have a go together. Gruffalo. How many was that? Gruffalo. Gruffalo. I count 3 syllables. What about dinosaur? Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Also 3 syllables. And I've got this one here. And it's got 2 parts to this word. So this must have 2 syllables. I'm going to clap it out and then I'm going to tap it on my chin. I'm going to count. Magnet. Magnet. Just 2. So the first, I'm going to actually do it in those 2 parts as well. So I'm going to do the first syllable, which was mag. Mag. I'm going to chop it up. Ag. Ag. Right, here goes. Ag. Mag. Okay, so it went like this. Magnet. So for the next part, I'm going to stretch that, I'm going to chop that, and I'm going to write it down. Net. Net. N. Et. N. Et. Magnet. Oh, it just makes it so much more manageable for me to write such a long word there. Over to you. Your first word is basket, but actually we're going to say it slightly different in order for us to help spell it. So we say it like this. Basket. The first part is b-a-s. The second part is k-et. Pause the video and have a go.
We have a basket. Let's see what syllables it is. Basket. Okay, let's try. B. As. Bas. Ket. K. Et. Basket.
On to the next word, and it's a clove of garlic. The word you're going to write is garlic. Chunk it and write down the two parts.
Garlic. Okay, gar. G. Ah. It's a digraph. Ah. Gar. Lick. Garlic.
Do you know the name of this guy? That's right, he's called Batman. So chunk it, bat, man, chop it up, write it down.
Oh, look who it is. It's Batman. Okay, let's do our syllables. Batman. Right. Bat. B. At. Batman. Batman.
Here we have a little goblin. Chunk it up and write down the two parts that you can hear in this word. Goblin.
Ooh, what's this? Is it a monster? I think it's a goblin. Okay, ready to clap? Goblin. Okay, gob. G. Ob. Goblin. In. Goblin.
The last part of our phonics today is having a go at reading the sentence. Join Mrs. Bracey in a moment to see how she got on reading hers.
Okay, let's finish our phonics session today by reading our sentence that matches yet another great dinosaur picture. Have a look at what this dinosaur's doing. Can you see? She's on something you might find at the park. Let's have a look. So our tricky words are in red. I've got she and the. Let's go. She had fun. She had fun on the. If I look at it, I can see there's a digraph here. So when I get to that, I'll remember it's one sound. Swing. Swing. She had fun on the swing. She's got a toothy grin. Well done, everyone.
Can't wait to see you all back in school next week. Bye for now.